Welcome to Divine Touch Healing Academy. This is Geetu Mirpuri. I'm a crystal therapist. I conduct classes on crystal therapy and I also prescribe crystals for different ailments, for different issues in your life based on your date of birth, time, place. There are some crystals which you can use without even checking your date of birth or your zodiac sign. The one amongst those is the best crystal I'm going to tell you which you should have. It's clear quartz. You can see in the pic here, these are small cabochons of clear quartz. They can be kept in the wallet, can be kept in the purse to get positive energy from these crystals. This crystal is also available in pendant form, or this is also called pencil. These can be worn as a pendant, and these crystals in this shape with a hook on it can be hanged on the wall, preferably in the northwest direction to balance the air element in the Vastu. So placing this crystal in the northwest direction, it gives you new opportunities and it increases positive energy in the house. With that, arguments or any type of conflict in the house, it gets solved. Next, you can see raw clear quartz. It has the highest power. This shape preferably, it has the highest pure power and it gives the best result for positive energy, for resolving conflicts, for reducing arguments, and for enhancing psychic power and enhancing intuition. This can be used as a massager. So anywhere in the body, if you have pain, you can massage with clear quartz. It removes negative energy from the body and it reduces pain or any type of negativity, blockages in the body. It can be used in pillar form also. These should be put in the cash box to attract lot of money there, to give positivity to your cash box. These are big size pillars. They can be put near the entrance to attract positive energy in the office, home, or in the factory or in the shop. These are big size clear quartz, you can see. They again can be kept in the wallet or in the purse to get positive energy, maximum positive energy. How to identify this crystal? You can see these crystals are very lightweight and they are very transparent, and they shouldn't be very clear like glass. It should have some inclusions in it. You can see in this massager, it should have some inclusion in it. So it proves that this is the genuine crystal, or it's considered artificial. If it doesn't have inclusion, if it's clear like glass, it is considered artificial crystal. And when you hold it, you should feel the vibration and you should feel the coolness of the crystal. It shouldn't be warm. It is also called spatik. It's also called clear quartz or clear crystal. It is the grandfather of all the stones because it has all 7 chakra colors and it balances all 7 chakras. It is good for everyone. It's like vitamin. So it is good for all signs, all zodiac signs, and whatever your date of birth is, you can use this crystal because it's a semi-precious crystals. Only gems should be checked. They should match your zodiac sign, they should match your date of birth. Semi-precious can be used by all zodiac signs and it can be used by all numbers. Now, where to place it? You can place it on the office desk, or you can place it in the living room. Small cabochons can be kept under the pillow, or you can keep them in your purse, in your wallet, and you can wear them as a jewelry as well. They should be kept in the open, shouldn't be kept in a closed drawer or cupboard. Other precautions: buy energized clear quartz. It should be energized, it should be programmed with your name. The crystal should know who the master is. And buy it from a genuine store and give Reiki to your crystal every day. If you don't know Reiki, just a small prayer, just a small affirmation, positive affirmation can help. You have to clean your crystals every day. If you are wearing it in the form of jewelry, it gets cleansed when you bathe, and keep it in the open, not in the closed cupboard. For more information on clear quartz, you can contact us on these numbers. What are the healing properties of clear quartz? It enhances your creativity. It enhances your potential. It aligns you to your higher self. You get connected to your higher energies, to cosmic energy basically. And then you can manifest what you want in your life, whether it is for your career, for your finance, for your relationship, for your health. And you can reach your goal with the help of healing crystal, that is clear quartz. I hope you all will like this video. Kindly like it, share it and subscribe the channel. Thank you.